What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so they attacking boss there. NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, based on this robbery, you understand, and me I talk about the latest robbery in Portmore again, my people. Another money truck, you understand, get robbed again. And this time, my viewers and subscribers, boy, when me hear the amount of money where the man them take, me hear see over $23 million gone. Remember the first one in my people, less than a month ago, same place over there in Portmore, Jamaica, my people. And them say over 10 million dead gone. Now, them say over 23 million. The man them gone with my people. Similar manner, similar style, my viewers and subscribers. You don't know, we talk about it already, you understand. Share a few clippings or we black out certain part and thing, my people. But now, a recording was sent to me, my viewers and subscribers. And it's basically a person who was on the scene, my viewers and subscribers, who managed to see everything, you understand, from start to finish, everything, and I disclose what transpired and what occurred, and you understand, and just to explain the whole situation. So right now, my people, I'm going to share this recording of this person, you understand, explaining, you know what I mean, and giving details by details of what occurred and what really transpired, you know what I mean, at that location over there in Portmore, Jamaica, on Sunday, March 19, 2023. Because, yo, as I said before, it's like a movie. So, just listen to this, people, then I drop back in.
Man, them made a cross the road from Scotiabank. Basically, you can call it scheme points. Everybody call it sometimes. Brother, sleep, me asleep. I'm hear 2 gunshots fly up. Then I said to boom and sit down up in them. Say, 2 gunshot, that no bad. Me just hear a barrage of gunshot forward to blouse and skirt. Me say, yo, brother, I first in a long time hear so much gunshot that. Me know say over probably 300 rounds fired. Sure, easily. So I said to boom and guy went down, look and I see vehicle back up now. One Scotiabank they cross the road pretty much. One big Scotiabank, one actual branch. I said to me, man, I hear like the bullet them a fall to the side and I move from the window and wait till the dead down, look and go back out. The brother, you see when I go around them, my lad. And the whole like Scotiabank shell, the man them ran back, Brinks truck again. 3 man them have out there. And 2 man get shot. And 1 drive off for the truck, but the man them still get the money. So the man them do it again, and I feel like at the same set of man them. 2 car load of man with about 6 to 7 man with rifle. Lay with the man them in a blouse and skirt. Lay with the man them in a thing. So apparently them know what time them come and everything. And as the man them come out of the truck, man them just wet them. But this time the man them defend themselves better. So the man them I behind the big truck and a big shot off of them. Look like a couple of them get shot, but them not dead or nothing like that and them escape. But me I tell them, my lad, when me said to boom now and me a Prips. From which part of me, them say a man jump the wall, my lad, and a big shot over the wall, my lad. I don't know if a Brinks man, I don't know if a gun man, I don't know what me I look on. When the man jump the fence, like a tall piece of fence, my lad. He come like him and high jump over the fence, like pole vault, you know. Just go over, just so, you know. And the man them set to boom and like them shooting party inside there and take out the pump rifle and go cross at the fence. So like if sister them come at the fence with the rifle, them see my try run cross the road, the man them slick him with the pumpy. Fling him across the road and the man take time, go like the entrance of the scheme, my lad, and just lay down there. And the man them said some woman a turn and shot on him over there. I know when we go over there and I look on him, he never did it. Police come and whatever, but same time when that go on, when him cross the road, I try cross the road on a police vehicle, look like him here go on a fat policeman. Brother, you want to see side of the police vehicle, when it's like when the man realize, say, yo, I'll be a rifle a facing, my lad, the man chuck out and care. Chuck out and care and jump in a gully, my lad. Left him gun, left everything. And you know, say man say, yo, the police can't on a radio. Police can't on a radio, man using personal credit when him there in a gully. And call for backup. Call the man for backup. Brother, when you go over there, my lad. Brother, people think they mash up one woman car, brother, whole driver's side. I don't know if she did there in a car at the time when everything there go on. Full of bullet hole. You should ever there another car, them man, when that go on, man, I dead, she dead, man. One, two next car, full of bullet hole. Brother, when I go over there, the amount of spent shell when I see and the whole of ATM, them bore up. Whole of wall, them bore up. Brother, no normal gun, the man, them a fire over there, brother. And when I did dead in that scheme, when I there, it look like them drive off, I try through the scheme to escape.
Some of viewers and subscribers, but a real level, my people. Zin, you hear what this man say? How much rounds beat up on him, say over 200, my people. So, you understand, yeah. But for him tell that means say shot beating on my people. And one thing me have to say, it was a different situation. Because you know, say the first one, my people, you know what I mean? The security, them, basically, then they get cornered, them they get conquered. So them they really manage to put up a real fight. But these one now, my viewers and subscribers, they manage to put up a fight. You understand? Even though money gone, even though sadly, them say two of them, you know what I mean, get shot and thing, even though some people are say three, but you know what I mean, them say some of them situation kind of serious, some not too bad and thing, but we are pray. I know say all of them can recover this thing. But when me ask some people, at least them stood up, put up a fight, you know what I mean, beat couple rounds, but yo, these men who are conducting these things, my people, them are some professional shooter. We talked before already, my people, and now talking again. Them man are militant who are deal with them thing, you know. Them man are full of militancy. And I come normal, and some normal man I conduct these things in my viewers and subscribers. If I do check, you know, and look into me, I say, you know, and I saw normal man I deal with them something, you know, the way them operate, you know. See, and if I look on the footage and see like them and them can skip and even sideshow bullet, like them I walk with some farmer thing we are cover them and I protect them and people, because I see them and them come so boom like jumping jack. You understand? And I jump and thing you ping, ping, ping. And them I manage to go back to a car and beat couple more. And me I say, yo, you know what I know so normal people I deal with them something here. You understand? It seem like these men, you know, like you that watch some movie or man them I go up on some dead really money heist and robbery. Like I saw the man them are praying on my people. Everything done script out, everything done right, everything done plan out, you know. And it's a plan the man them have, you know. Because them don't know them getaway plan, them don't know where them are go, where them are go drop off the car, them where them are go techniques and how them are go move with the money, you know. Because them don't know themselves, say, you know, if they go certain spot, police are go track the car them because camera go show them exactly where they go. So them don't know where them are go drop off the car them, how them are go move with my people in a some year with a camera, nothing a day. You understand? As my say people, them money are roll with militancy. Them money are roll with some, but only Jah sees and he knows the people. But you know this time of people, within, look into it, it does look, you know what I mean, everybody have your thing and I say, look at less than a month, 2 money chop my people in similar situation. See, because them say, you know, money them and them are going to put in the machine, you know. You understand that money them are going to put in the machine. See what transpired, see what occurred, my viewers and subscribers. Only Jah sees and he knows. But as I say again, bless a prayer, you understand, for these security who manage to get hit on something, you understand, and hope them can recover. And all me ask some people, boy, the place deadly, the place are now. You understand, them and them now, no fear, no time, no dear, and only Jah sees and he knows. So people, what good enough and protect yourself. I don't know, say more love my people, more respect and more blessings. And again, thanks to the love, thanks to the support, the like, the share, and every comment. Say, I don't know, say one team, one dream, one scheme of people. Stay safe and just do the right thing. Peace out, blessings. Thank you all my people. Big up.